Hi students, my name is N. Bhavani. I used to deal with IT and CT subjects. Now I am working as a IT CT trainer in AP Balya Gurukulam, Talapalam, Visakhapatnam district. Today we are going to discuss basic introduction of computers. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device or machine that can perform arithmetic and logical operations which are given by the user. Now I will explain you in simple method. A computer is man-made machine. It needs electricity to work. Without electricity, the computers cannot work. In the same way, the computers cannot work without a human being. A computer can read the information through input devices and process it and stores it. Then it gives output through output devices. Computer has four main parts: monitor, keyboard, system unit, mouse. After joining four parts together are called computer. Every part of computer has its own importance. Monitor. It's look like a TV screen. It is connected to the CPU with wire. It displays all the results on the screen. The monitor has on and off buttons. You can watch movies, cartoons on monitor screen. Some new type of monitors are LCD and LED monitors. Keyboard. The keyboard is made of several small buttons called keys. Each key has an alphabet or number or symbol on it. Usually what is typed on the keyboard appears on monitor. A keyboard has many buttons. The keys on which numbers are printed are called numeric keys. The numeric keys are used to type numbers 0 to 9. The numeric keys are placed in the two different areas of the keyboard. On which English alphabets are printed are called alphabetical keys. Alphabetical keys are A to Z. Functional keys F1 to F12 are called functional keys. Edit keys insert, home, page up, delete, end, page down are edit keys. Cursor control keys are four buttons: up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. The longest key is space bar, that is used to give blank space. Special keys: space bar, enter key, shift key, caps lock, delete, backspace. All these are called special keys. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of the computer. CPU connects all the parts of the computer and makes them work together. It is also stores all the information. The CPU has on, off switches. These are the different parts of system unit, means CPU. Process of the CPU. It takes the data in the form of numbers, words, pictures, sound, etc. through input devices. Processor processes the input data and stores it. Then it sends results through output devices in the form of sound, hard copies, and displays the result, etc. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. Its name is derived from its shape. We can give input through mouse by clicking, holding and dropping mouse buttons. A computer mouse has usually two buttons and a scroll wheel. Clicking the mouse once is called single click, while clicking it twice is called double click. It helps us to draw pictures, play games, and give instructions to the computer. What is input and output devices? An input device is a piece of hardware equipment used to send data and control signals to the computer. Keyboard. Keyboard is one of the main input device. It is used to enter the data into the computer by pressing keys. Keyboard has different types of keys such as alphabetical keys, number keys, symbols, functional keys, etc. Mouse. Mouse is one of the main input device. Mouse is pointing device. We can give instructions to the computer by clicking, holding, dragging mouse buttons. Scanner. Scanner is an input device that scans or captures documents such as photographs, posters, and pages of text. Scanner creates an electronic version of the document that can be viewed and edited on computer. Joystick. A joystick is an input device consists of a stick. Joysticks are used to control video games. Joystick detects the direction you are holding the stick by use of an electronic switch. Web camera. The term web camera is a combination of web and video camera. The purpose of the web camera is to broadcast videos on the web. A web camera is a hardware camera and input device. Webcams are typically small cameras that sit on desktop, attached to the user monitor or built into the hardware, examples laptop, tablets. Light pen. A light pen is a light sensitive pointing input device. It allows the user to point displayed objects or draw on the screen. Commonly used to select or otherwise modify text or data on screen. Touch screen. A touch screen is a computer display screen that serves as an input device. When touch screen is touched by finger, it registers the event and sends it to a controller for processing. A touch screen may contain pictures or words, so user can touch to interact with the device. Microphone. Microphone is input device to input sound that is stored in digital form. The microphone is used for various applications such as adding sound to multimedia presentation or for mixing sound. Microphone deals with small audio signals. Microphone can also called as mic that converts sound into electronic signals. Input devices is a piece of hardware equipment that carries the data from processor that converts into the information through output devices. Monitor. Monitor is one of the main output device. It looks like a TV screen. It is connected to the CPU with wire. We can see movies, cartoons on monitor screen. And monitor displays the results from the processor. Printer. What you see on monitor can be printed on paper by using printer. The printed copy is known as hard copy. A printer produces output as hard copy, which is permanent. Printing can be black and white or color. There are 3 types of printers available in market: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Projector. A projector is an optical output device that projects an image or moving images onto a projection screen, such as widescreen or wall. Speakers. Speakers are output devices. Speakers allows you to listen to music. When speakers are connected to the computer, we receive sound as output. Headphones. Headphones are hardware output device. Headphones allows you to listen to audio or watch a movie without disturbing people around you. Plotter. A plotter is an output device which is used to generate graphical output like drawing, medical reports, large size posters. Computers are available in different sizes. Some computers are big and some are medium sized and some computers are small. Desktop computer. Desktop computers are big in size. These type of computers are kept on desk. Desktop computers work only on electricity. Such computers are used in homes, offices or at school. They are also known as personal computers. Laptop computer. A laptop is lighter and smaller in size than desktop computer. It looks like a briefcase. It can be easily carried from one place to another. It is also work on battery. Tablet computer. Tablet computer. It is smaller than laptop computer. It works simply by touching its screen. A tablet computer can be carried while traveling. It can also work on battery. Smartphone. A smartphone is a mobile phone which has many features in it. On smartphone, you can make a call as well as you can also use many softwares. And also you can play games or draw pictures on mobile phone. Let's discuss few characteristics of computer. Computer can store lots of information. It can do many types of jobs. Computer makes our work easier. A computer never gets tired. It never makes any mistakes. Computer works very fast. Computer gives very accurate result. Now, I will provide you an assessment link with few questions to help you in recollecting what you have learned in this video. So, after watching this video, submit your assessment. Thank you, students.